Daghang salamat, Cebu. Thank you so much. To Pinoy Pop Karaoke Challenge of SM City Cebu. Karaoke World Championship Philippines, the new channel and Praxis are here. Congratulations to all the winners. Watch out for our announcements because we will be coming back to this same stage here at SM City Cebu. Seeing you there again. Maraming salamat, Cebu. See you.